guys, it's me, Tina Marie, true meaning of radiance. Today's video is actually going to be a Bath and Body Works haul. Yes, I'm lit. I found something I really been talking about in the last video. So I'm like, yeah. So yeah, it's lit, okay? And on top of it, I wanted to go over the new coupons. Yes, your girl got another coupon book. They tell us they only do coupons only once a year. No. Girlfriend complained. After I complained, now all of a sudden I get every coupon book. How you doing? Okay, so here's my coupon book. Let me show you guys the coupons that they are doing for the month of April through May. So I got the free gift for up to $5.50. That's one of the coupons. The second one is 10 off 30. These coupons begin being good at April 15th. By the time you see this video, it should be April 15th or beyond. And it goes through May 12th. Of course, I'm going to use that before then because something new came out that I want to get and we're going to talk about. And then exclusive preview of the Mother's Day Tote. I don't want that dang old Mother's Day Tote. The Mother's Day Tote, just so you guys know, it comes with a mini in the star spray, the rose water and ivy. I don't really like that line, but it's the soap in that, and then you get 2 of the Ginghams. I know Michael say he loves Gingham, that he loves the smell of it, but I just can't. I don't know, Michael. Maybe it's me. I don't know, but me and that Gingham, but it comes with a Gingham lotion and the spray, and I already have the spray, and then a mini rose like hand cream and the Georgia peach candle. And I won't be getting that. And it comes with a tote and a pocket bag. I think it's a pocket bag on the picture. I don't want it, so it's an easy pass for me, even though they'll give me the free sneak peek. But anyway, yeah, that's the coupons for April going into May. And the cool thing is with the purchases, they were giving a $10 off coupon when I bought my stuff anyway. No, it's not $10 off coupon. It's a free Gingham body care with any $10 purchase. So these coupons I ain't really going to use because, again, well, it's a free Gingham purchase with any $10 purchase. So if I go spend $10, I can get a free Gingham purchase. I might just get the Gingham purchase because it's free and give it in a gift basket or something for someone. That's a good idea. Or I might get it and just have it look cute in the bathroom. Ooh, in my new bathroom? Yes, I might get my little freebies. Instead of using them, they'll just sit on my little area in the bathroom and just look cute. Like, don't touch them. I mean, you can use them if you want to, but I wouldn't. I just use it for decoration. So that's a good idea. So I'm going to hold on to these coupons. First, I was going to write it off, but hold on, honey. I might got a use for you. That's if I spend $10. And I do have on my bunny ears because they had the little bunny ears for the kids. And I'm a kid. Just a big one, okay? So I got my bunny ears on. And we're just going to get into it because I've been talking way too long, okay? So we're going to first start off with these. I got these face sheets. They were 75% off. Y'all, I talked about these in my favorites. Bomb. When I say bomb, these are bomb. You know what? What time is it? It's 10:36. I might go to Bath and Body Works today. Sorry. But these are the face sheet masks with a hyaluronic, I always mess that up, hyaluronic acid. From Bath and Body Works, of course, and these are normally $4.95. I used a 20% coupon with my purchase, and these came out to like 99 cents. How you doing? They were doing a spend 10, get a free item. So your girl took advantage of that, and they were doing $3 soaps that day. So I took advantage. Again, I got the Cabana Breeze Gentle Foaming Hand Soap. Looks just like that. I got 2 more of my favorite hand soap that came out so far this year. These are the Your Magical Unicorn Milkshakes. Now I can finally put one out because I wouldn't put one out because I really didn't want to run out. So now I have 4 total of these ones. And I picked up a winter candy apple to take to work. So I bought these 4 items. They came up to $10 and some change, and I got this item for free, and this is the Aromatherapy Island Edition in Sleep. The packaging is so cute. I just had to have it. It's gonna look really cute on the vanity. And it smells pretty good. It's not my favorite though. Oh, it smells so good. This is hibiscus and ylang ylang. Ylang ylang. I think that's how you say it. But, oh man, you know what? I might like this one better than the other one with the cedar wood or sandalwood or whatever. Oh, this smells heavenly. Okay, this is my favorite. But I still do like the other one too. The only one I really don't like is that pink one. But yeah, this is really good. So I'm glad I got this, and this was my free item, and it's all fancy because your free item can be up to $14.50, and this fancy little thing was only $13.50. So I got that for free. I did buy a candle because it was buy a candle. They were $14.50. Bath and Body Works, no, they tripping up in the candles, but inflation happens. What can we really do? But it was $14.50. So I got this candle right here. Can you guys see it? That is in pink apple punch. There it is, pink apple punch. I love the design of this one. It smells so good. Yes, pink apple punch smells so good. This is crisp apple, sun-kissed melon, sugar crystals with essential oils, honey. Yes, I absolutely love this. This smells so good. So different from what I would usually get. So with that, I did get a free item, and I got Justin's favorite thing. This is the Ocean Men's Collection spray, because he actually just finished his Ocean spray. Told you he loves the Ocean line, and I got this for free. So I got that free with the purchase. My Gingham free item I got like last month. I told you I couldn't find. I finally found it. That's what it looks like right there. Yeah, not much to talk about with that. I got this Hello Beautiful for $3. It's a perfume spray, and I just thought it was really, really pretty, and it's a really, really nice smell. So I got that one. Now the star of this whole haul. The star of the haul. Y'all ready? Y'all not ready. Yeah, y'all ready? This is the star of the haul, and I have two of her. Yes, I said her. Strawberry pound cake. Okay, and I got cake by the pound. Hey, yeah. Strawberry pound cake. Oh my goodness. Look at the top. Ooh, get lost in it. Get lost in it. Ooh, you need this. I have two of them. I have two of them, honey. Two. Okay? It's fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, dollop of whipped cream. Did I say whipped cream? Whipped cream. Whipped cream. Oh, yes. It smells so good. And one of my friends, she already did a review on it. She said it burns evenly and everything. You need this in your life. You need this in your life. If you don't get any other candle I talked about this year. Strawberry pound cake. Got cake by the pound. Okay, yes. This smells so good. It's like, it reminds me of a sweet candy, but it's not an artificial type candy. It's so good. I love this candle. Tina Divalicious raved about it. That's what made me want it, is when Tina Divalicious raves about something, you gotta try it out. And I was like stalking my store till they got it and calling all the time. My store loves me. It's Tina. You know, I call, I say, hey, so-and-so. Yeah, it's Tina again. Do you got strawberry pound cake in? You know, they know me by name. They see me, they go, hey, Tina. That's when you know you go to the store too much. They see you all the way from the register and they're like, what's up, girl? Oh, me? Oh, I'm here too much, right? Yeah. So I am there way too much. But hey, I mean, it is what it is. It smells so good. So if you don't have strawberry pound cake, look for it. It's good. It's really good. There's no full wraparound packaging. It is what it is. Just has a sticker up front. But yeah, I would pay $14.50 all the time for this candle because it's heavenly. Let me get off here because I gotta go to Stout. I hope you enjoyed the Bath and Body Works haul. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and if you do Bath and Body Works online, go through eBay and get cash money to get your cash back. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.